So I'm going to go through the 4 types of graphs you need to be able to recognise from not only its graph but also its equation of the line. So here's 2 linear graphs. As you can see, the line is perfectly straight. Basically, the equation then will always have something like this: y equals x, or y equals 3x, y equals minus x plus 4, y equals 10x minus 1. So what you're looking for here in the equation is no powers, no squares, no cubes or anything like that. Okay, very straightforward equations. When we go on to quadratic, as you can see, here's 2 examples at the bottom. Oh, well, lots of examples in fact. Quadratics always have, okay, you can spot it here, look, in the equation, a squared. So in here, look, is a squared, squared, squared. Alright, that square gives the quadratic its unique feature of a nice smooth curve. So here's some examples. You could have y equals x squared, y equals 4x squared. You could have y equals minus x squared plus 11. You could have y equals x squared plus x. As long as you see that squared, it will always have a nice smooth curve to it. Cubic is the 3rd one, and as you can see, cubic has the word cube in its equation. Look, you can see a little 3 there, a 3 there. So the equation of a cubic graph always has a cube in it, and it always has this unique sort of S snaky sort of shape to the graph. So examples could be y equals x cubed, y equals x cubed plus 11, y equals 4x cubed, y equals minus x cubed plus 2. Always have an x cubed in there. And the last one, the most bizarre one, is the reciprocal graph. Reciprocal graphs always look like this, okay, almost 2 separate lines. Lots of discussion and theory behind these, which you come on to later in maths in future years. But all you have to be able to do at the minute is recognise when you see a reciprocal graph or a reciprocal equation. They always look like this. They always have fractions in, and basically the unknown is at the bottom of the fraction, the denominator. So y equals 1 over x, or y equals 3 over x, or y equals 1 over 2x, or y equals minus 7 over 4x. These will always give a reciprocal graph. Okay, so where the x or the unknown is the part of the denominator of the fraction.